My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Honda Civic. This vehicle has done just under 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access navigation, phone, settings, web browser, audio, information, and smartphone connection. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. If we press here, we can access our climate control, and we have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.